Out below 800 feet. Coming out below 800 feet and working on launch. 1985. Okay, 5 and to verify runway 7. Runway 7, 985. Said yes, 305, left 34, high speed, contact ground point 4. Alpha 3, ground point 4. You're inside of a site setting up for 10 miles per hour. Just straight to numbers, and we do have that departing craft at 756 Papa Alpha. There's 6 up. Maintain visual separation, contact runway 7, clear touch, go. Okay, visual separation, runway 7, let's go 756 Papa Alpha. Flight to 6 hour, chase me. Chase me. Power departure approved, runway 7. Runway 7 for the power plant without delay. That's 2, only 7, and then leave the departure. Or 6 miles down, traffic, and then midfield helicopter, left right. Traffic is inside 756 Alpha Alpha. On Diamond in a 1 mile restriction in a left base for runway 7. We got the traffic spade and we're cleared to runway 7, 985. Five, 6 Fox, crosswind, extend down. Third cross, extend down, and we'll take 5, 6 Fox up. Time is 2 Fox here, traffic falls, Fox 1 mile, Skyhawk. Down the street, top here, traffic falls, 12 Fox 1 mile, Skyhawk, altitude ending 1,200, turning crosswind. Maintain visual separation. Turbulence, runway 7, clear, touch, go. One fast south, Stampede 800. 7 Bravo, left turn westbound is approved. Westbound is approved, 7 Bravo Lima. 1 Mike Romeo, number 2, following Arch. Forward Scotel, VFR, low contact, departure, good day. Bravo, over to departure, appreciate the forward Scotel. Romeo, runway 7 Alpha 7, line of weight, Hawker, 6 miles on 7 miles of weight, runway Romeo. Runway 7 full weight, south departure in the downwind. Line up, runway 07, Cronus 50. Tanner 7 Alpha, another way down to altitude, please. Ground point 4, good day. Mike Romeo, correction. Romeo, only Archer in the base. You're going to be out of base Skyhawk on the 7 mile funnel. We're following Archer in the base. Skyhawk, play 1 Mike Romeo. Fly 92 to runway 7, clear for takeoff. Takeoff 7, fly then 92. Romeo, your number 2, runway 7, clear. Go. Runway 7, clear, stop. 641. Your number 3, following a twin diamond in that 2 mile pitch, doing a stop and go. Your number 3, runway 7. Go like you flight south, midfield left downwind, runway 7. Southbound doorway left. Full micromail, miles term base, runway 73, go. Alpha 1, 11, stopping, go.